Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are all doing great today. I am packing up my Muay Thai shorts, about to go to the gym. Yeah, before I go, I'm just gonna go get some food. Usually I don't like to eat too heavy. I woke up kind of late today. Yeah, so it's been kind of annoying. Try to like roll in too long with it. Gotta open the blinds. So I'm gonna go make some coffee. We're gonna go do that. We're gonna talk a little bit what's going on. I just make a little bit toast. And yeah, make some coffee. Okay. So generally, most of the time, I'm usually gonna go and like train for about like 2 or 3 hours. So I don't want to train on a heavy stomach. So I actually ate something very, very small. Half a sandwich and some coffee. Too broke to like, so I was using the filters. So finally got into the car, just warming this thing up, and then we're gonna go to the Muay Thai gym today. It's just one of my days off. Today's one of my days off from work and such, and today I usually spend these days just to go and catch up on like cleaning the car, plans for like upcoming weekends, chores, stuff like that, little things to catch up on. And yeah, I'm just kind of like just rolling with the punches today. And then today I'm going to spend a solid amount of time just studying and such. Today was the goal. Car hunting is still a thing, and I still really want to talk about that. We're going to talk a little bit about that when we finish up Muay Thai, and it's going to be super exciting. I really want to change this channel surrounding like different series, and so I'm just having trouble finding the Mazda 2 that I really want. I'm having my sight sets on like either the Ford ST or the Mazda 2. I looked at insurance quotes for both, and the expenses and everything included, not including gas yet, is for the Ford ST is about $508 a month expenses. Again, like I am very, very passionate about keeping the expenses low, having the extra cash to go and like build like a savings account. We really want to build towards like building towards a business that gives me a lot of room to experiment a little bit more, but also having the fun factor as well, to just kind of like seeing what options I have. I really do enjoy cars, actually down to my core. I really love the aspect of like modifying it, making it look good, lowering it just like a little bit, and just enjoying the ride. Like it's also something I've always grown up with, I've always loved, and it's just like the simple like little your own space and not worrying about gas and stuff like that. It's just I don't know what it is. Maybe it's me, maybe I'm OCD about it, but I just really love that like it doesn't hinder you when you're buying a car. A lot of people go and extend themselves way too far. Let's just say like, you know, you're making like 6 figures and stuff like that. You don't have to go and get like that expensive $150,000 Range Rover, right? You know, or that Mercedes G-Wagon. Like to me, that's just like not good, because you ideally want to keep expenses low. You want to have a lot in savings, and then later on you do want to retire early, right? That is the plan. So because when I was younger, I was like so stupid with my money, and so spending all the money that I had and everything, I never really built much of a savings. Or actually I bought some cars and they were total duds, and that's okay. That's not a big deal. Like you learn and you learn and you move on, and so that is the plan. Yeah, so I'm gonna go talk to you guys a little bit more about like the pros and cons about like the Mazda 2 and the Ford ST. Yaris is kind of up there as well too, but like again, like I just don't find that I'm gravitating towards like more of the Mazda 2. I really love the way it looks, the way it can be modified. Just by doing like simple bolt-ons, like lowering it and doing just maybe a small exhaust or something like that. It just kind of looks like really fun to drive, honestly, to me. And even though it's like 99 horsepower. Anyways, I will see you guys at the Muay Thai gym. See you guys in a bit. So just clean out the van. One crappy thing about living in Canada is like it's about, let's see what time it is. It's 4:45, and it's like almost dark. Like the street lamp is up now, and it just sucks. Like it just severe like weather depression. There's no snow yet or anything, which is great, fantastic. I love that. But again, like it's just no like sunlight or anything like that, and you just feel like a total turd. I'm gonna just talk to you guys a bit while I clean up this mess of a van. So I'm gonna stick you guys somewhere. Oh. Okay, I tried to shoot some content before, like it's like raining a bit right now, and I was just cleaning the interior of the car, and it's just been a pain in the butt, really. Just kind of like this weather in Canada and stuff like that. So snow hasn't dropped yet, but got me all sweaty. But this is kind of cool. It's not too bad. So guys, yeah. So like I've been looking like honestly for like a Mazda 2, like because I've been looking at the insurance and everything. Pros and cons between the two, the Ford ST or the Mazda 2. I really like the Mazda 2 recently just because like well, at least my girlfriend like kind of like logically kind of laid it out for me too as well. I really want the Ford ST though, because like it's like it has turbo, it has like so many different things. It looks sporty. I like the way that the lines and everything looks. Yeah, I heard really great reviews about it and everything too as well, and so it'd be honestly just something amazing I really like to kind of enjoy and drive, right? So yeah, so he did that. But yeah, I think somebody's over there just waiting for me. Just parked here at like the vacuuming place. We'll continue this in a bit, but we're gonna take off. We're back here. It's probably really dark now. It's getting darker and darker and everything. The lady's still there, as you guys can see. I don't know what she's doing. Looks like she's like reading a book. It's so weird. Anyways, so I don't know if she's waiting for me at all. But anyways, I was telling you guys about the differences about getting the Ford ST or the Mazda 2. Mazda 2 is actually a more feasible like expenses that I can take on. I really like the hatchback version of that as well too. It's just I like something that's round, less on gas. Those two are like my top 2 cars that I'm looking for right now, and it's just I really like them. Yeah, but the thing is, like, if I were to get to the Ford ST, I'd have to finance it, and it'd be about $500 a month. I'm not a big fan of taking like just big expenses just like that, kind of just shaving away and such, because I really do want to take some of the money, go and like invest into some cryptocurrency maybe or something. But no. So I'm thinking about going towards the Mazda 2. Depending on the price point of the Mazda 2, I did some calculations roughly. If I finance that as well too, it would maybe be total of $300 a month, which is fantastic, very doable. Insurance was like fantastic. Like I think I looked it up for the Ford ST would be $130 a month, whereas the Mazda 2 would be about, I would say, about $91, which is fantastic. That's definitely doable. I really like that. So that's the plan. I'm gonna go look for that, but I think I'm telling you, it's like so hard to find something like this right now. I don't know what it is. Like a lot of like cars have been going up in price points and everything, so we're gonna figure out what's next to that. Anyways guys, I hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys later. Take care.